Itinalaga ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. si Airport Operations Expert Eric Jose Castro Ines bilang Acting General Manager at miyembro ng Board of Directors ng Manila International Airport Authority. Batay sa transmittal letter address kay Transportation Secretary Jamie Bautista, na pirmado ni Executive Secretary Lucas P. Bersamin nitong December 15, nakasaad na pinapalitan ni Ines si dating MIAA Chief Cesar Chiyong. Si Ines ay nagtapos ng Bachelor of Arts sa University of the Philippines at nagtapos rin ng Airport and Airline Management and Aviation Security course sa Vail Brook. Magugunita ang itinalagang Acting General Manager ng MIAA si Brian Coe kasunod ng kautusan ng Office of the Ombudsman na i-dismiss si Chiyong matapos mapatunayang guilty ng grave misconduct, abuse of authority at conduct prejudicial to the best interest of service.